Engineers will soon be occupying these empty workstations to drive India's semiconductor ambitions. I'm here at Qualcomm's Chip Design Center in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, where I speak to Savi Soin, Qualcomm India president, about designing chips here in India end to end to meet the AI boom.
We're in the Chennai facility, right? We do a lot of innovation on access points. These are like Wi-Fi's in your enterprise, in your homes, and so on and so forth. All those things are getting developed right here. Both the chips, the software, the system level stuff is done with the folks that sit in this office.
Inaugurated in March, this design centre is part of India's massive investment to create a complete chip value chain in the country. Just ahead of elections, the Modi government also inaugurated the construction of 3 manufacturing and assembly projects worth around $15 billion, 2 of them in Gujarat and 1 in Assam. Modi's government is bearing half the cost of setting up these plants under the 760 billion rupees allocated to incentivise the chip industry in 2021. That's roughly $10 billion.
The India Semiconductor mission was launched in 22, and we are here in 24, and already 4 large projects totaling to investments about 19 billion US. It's already there on the ground, and look at the pace at which work has been done. Micron's announcement to groundbreaking was 90 days. Tata and CG Power announcement approval to groundbreaking was 15 days and will very rapidly rise in this rank order and become among the top 5 semiconductor nations.
Currently, some US companies utilize a fabless system where chips are designed in the country, but production is outsourced. Most of the chip production or fabrication is done in Taiwan, China, and South Korea, while a chunk of assembly is done in China. But geopolitical tensions between China, Taiwan, and the US have resulted in companies looking for alternative locations to reduce dependence on one site and to tap into cheaper labor.
We are just making baby steps. The government is coming up with the policy action due to the rising trade issues and the geopolitical tensions across the globe. India can be a better alternative for the semiconductor industry is concerned. We have a strong skilled labor in India.
Chip making is a capital-intensive activity and also requires a large number of trained workers for fabrication and assembly, packaging and testing. As India tackles these challenges, some companies are also looking at the country as a potential market.
I think India has an opportunity to really lead on the on-device AI. I was really excited about the developers to see what are the possibilities of new use cases that can come in cars, in two-wheelers, in smartphones, in PCs, in edge boxes that are doing more industrial applications.
The Modi government aims to roll out the first made-in-India chips by US firm Micron by the end of this year. And in December 2026 from Tata Electronics and Taiwan's power chip plant in Gujarat, as India looks to narrow the gap in the global chips race.